Hi, in front of me is Realme 6i, and today I would like to show you how you can use Sound Recorder on this device. First of all, find Tools folder and tap on it. Then choose Recorder and tap on Agree. Then select Allow and tap on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it by tapping on the same one. If you wish to enter recording and save it, click on the right button over here, give it a name and tap on Save. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. You can always delete it though by holding it and tapping on the spin icon at the bottom right corner. Then choose Delete all recordings. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!